Hey guys, so Juno Co recently sent me their newest launch, which is a beautiful face palette. So if you guys would like to see swatches, see what this looks like, and see it tried on, then just keep watching. Okay, so it is the Juno Co Perfect Me Cheek Defining Kit, and they sent me the Cherry Bomb version. There's like a light version and then a deeper skin tone version. So I have the lighter one. It says, this perfect palette enhances your best features with 4 ultra blendable pigments to highlight, contour, shimmer, and color your look to perfection. Layer shades to get it glowing on, or wear these shades individually to highlight your favorite features. So let's open it up to see what it looks like. I have already peeked inside. It is beautiful. You guys are going to be blown away. This is what the front of the palette looks like. It is a cherry and someone's face with a beautiful contour and blush. It is rose gold packaging. On the back it says Cherry Bomb. And inside it looks like this. This is a glimmer, this is daybreak, this is baked, and this is petal. And this one up here, if you can see, it says Cherry Bomb printed on it. These two have like a wave pattern, and this one has cherries printed on it. It's really, really cute. I'll insert a picture here close up so you can see it better. So let's start off with swatches. I did already dip my fingers into this, and I am super excited to try it. So Cherry Bomb is like a nice champagne shade. The second shade is like a white glittery topper. The third shade is a very creamy, cool contour shade. And the last one is a really pretty pink with a gold shift blush. So let me show you here. We have the first color, the second one, which will be like a beautiful topper, the bronzer contour shade, and finally the blusher shade. Really, really pretty. So I don't have any face color on my face right now. I have a little bit of Rimmel foundation and then a little bit of Beauty Bakerie powder, and that's it. So let's try the contour first. So I'm going to grab my Juno Co angled brush. I use this for contour a lot. It does have a nice big mirror on the other side. That's nice. It's not too warm tone. I really like the tone of this. Let's see what it looks like as a bronzer on the forehead. Okay, I'd say it's warm enough to use as a bronzer and cool enough to use as a contour, so this is nice so far. I feel like if you are lighter than me, you're going to love this. It builds up nicely on the skin. No shimmer to it. It's a nice matte contour color. That's really pretty. Okay, so let's move on to highlight next. I'm going to try Cherry Bomb first, and then we'll top it off with this white shade. I'm just grabbing a Bella & Bear Cheetah brush. I'm going to dip into Cherry Bomb and just dust it on the cheekbones here. Ooh, that's pretty. It's not too gold and it's not too champagne. It's like a nice middle ground color where it's not too warm and not too cool. Ooh. Kind of looks like my cheeks have like a wet finish to them. They're not glittery. It's not metallic. It's very similar to like the Ofra Rodeo Drive highlight, I would say, only a little bit more beigey tone and not quite as gold, if that helps. This is really pretty. Okay, I really like that so far. Now I want to see what a little bit of this white color does on top. Okay, that definitely adds like glitter to the look. So if you want to really like ramp things up a bit, add this kind of glitter topper to it. Definitely adds like that snowflakey twinkle to the look. And I wonder if I can tame it down with a little setting spray. All right, it's still pretty glittery. It's very similar to like the Fenty what do they call it? The glitter balm, the dust balm, the highlight balm, the one that was like super sparkly. I would compare that to that. I would compare this to that. So there is like the white shine, and then this is the more like gold champagne. I'm not complaining. I mean, it looks really pretty. What's left to try is this beautiful blush shade. So let me grab a blush brush.
Say that 5 times fast. Blush brush, blush brush, blush brush, blush brush, blush brush.
All right, so I am dipping in with my Sonia Kashuk blush brush into the cherry color. Let's see. Okay, that's definitely more pink than I was expecting. I can see the gold right here. It kind of looks like I'm highlighting my cheeks as well. So I don't necessarily know if you need all 3 of these shimmery products on your face at once, but if you love glow, then you will love this. Woo! Das pink! I'm not complaining though, it's really pretty. So the blush has a hint of gold to it, so it gives you an extra highlighting effect. The cherry balm highlight is beautiful and gives you like that wet finish on the face. This glittery one, I don't see myself getting as much use out of, but I might use it as like an eyeshadow topper because that's kind of cute. But on the face, probably not because it is super glittery, but it's really fun. And then this contour powder is really nice, and I think I'm going to be getting a lot of use out of this cherry balm palette. It's a really good one. If you guys would like to save 10%, you can use my code MelindaJoy. It is not an affiliate code. I do not receive any commission off of that. It's just a discount for you guys so that you can try the product for yourself. So I would highly recommend this one. I'm curious to see what the deeper shade looks like, but I think that Juno Co did a really nice job with this. Thumbs up from me. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please remember to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and as always, I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.